Hello guys, today we're going to do unboxing for uh, iCruze Rhythm wireless neckband with true copper drive. Okay, this one I buy it at around 500. The actual printed price is 3,499. I buy by using a coupon. Here are some specifications. This come with a Bluetooth version 5.0 and charging type is micro USB, which is quite unsatisfactory at this point of time. I think Type C would be quite preferable. And the water resistant is IPX4 rating. Impedance is 16 ohm. The drive diameter is 13 mm. And the talk time is 35 hours. And the charging time is each 3 hours. The the earbud have a magnetic that is quite okay. And the quality of the wire is soft silicone. It is quite soft. I think it is okay. And apart from that, the call quality, it is crispy and clear at this price point. The rubber ear tips are good because it fits quite comfortable to the ear. And then the call quality is also good at this price range. There is the sound quality of this earband is also quite crispy, and I think the bass is good, and then it is quite clear. So if you want a good bass with that is that of a neckband, I think you can pick this one. For listening music, it is up to the mark and it is quite satisfactory. The bass is punchy and the sound is crispy and clear. The buttons are also quite clicky and tactile, and it is comfortable to press. So the choice is yours. Like.